Andre de Villiers from Linex Lifestyle Center in Randburg. Today we're joining Doug Farrell with our new range of liquid Moly. So this is a special we're introducing exclusively to the Linex brand. With liquid Moly we're going to do some awesome things. So guys, July is Liquid Moly month at Linex Lifestyle Center Randburg. Doug, run us through on what's special about liquid Moly.
So look, obviously with it being a premier oil and lubricant brand in the market, we're coming with a couple of great ideas and initiatives for the market. If anyone comes in and they purchase anything under $500, we're going to give them a free buff or a keyring or something like that.
Buffs are essential right now.
100%.
Everybody wants one, and the buffs from liquid Moly are just really cool.
They look top notch and it just goes with the
What happens to those that want to spend a bit of tin? Over 500?
A little bit more than $500, we'll give them a free additive from the Liqui range. We get a fuel additive, a engine cleaner, engine flush, something like that, just so that they can get a little bit more information on the Liqui Moly brand.
Now guys, that's Liquid Moly's contribution. What we're doing from Linex Lifestyle Center. With any liquid oil purchase that you're buying from us at Linex, we will do a free lube and inspection service on your bike. What that means is you buy the oil from us, we change the oil out on your bike, right? We do everything, plus we do a 21-point check inspection on your bike, boat, jet ski, whatever it is. Remember guys, Liquid Moly is premium oil for premium products. So if you want to take care of your products, definitely put Liquid Moly. And then you've got something else to offer us.
100%. So we've got a couple of exciting things coming in the next couple of weeks. We're going to get some specialists from Liqui Moly South Africa to come through and chat about a couple of the products, why the Liqui Moly brand is the best in the market, and also just to debunk a couple of myths around, let's say like two-stroke oil mixture ratios, why to use a fully synthetic as opposed to a mineral-based oil, and just sort of clarify a couple of points.
No one knows what the difference is.
Exactly. No one knows where it's fully synthetic is beneficial over a mineral-based.
So we're going to get one of Liquid Moly South Africa's experts out here, and that guy's going to give us the lowdown on what to know, what not to know. If your mate tells you something different, you can say, hey bro, you don't know what you're talking about.
It's not the truth.
Yeah.
100%.
We're also going to go super in-depth to maintenance. So a lot of people don't know that you have to change your suspension oil regularly, and why it's important to change that oil for maintenance and just keeping your bike fresh and brand new and running.
Just getting the best performance out of your suspension at all times.
Exactly.
I mean, we've also got a ton of other little products that a lot of guys don't know about that we'll be covering in a couple of weeks. I mean, one of them is just our little screw grip over here. If the guys have got a strip nut or bolt on their motorcycle, this little product over here will literally save your life, and it allows you to get that bolt off without having to drill or tap or anything like that. And that's just one of the small little odds and ends that we've got to offer through the Linex Lifestyle Center.
So we are also going to be putting together some great specials. We're going to have a partnership with Liquid Moly and some other guys out in the market. We will be doing suspension oil services at a really good competitive price. We will be doing chain lube and air filter services at a really ridiculously good price. We will also be checking out brake fluids. We've got Liquid Moly offers high performance fluids in all of those ranges. And then like we've got premium products like the R1M that we've got behind you. You are not going to put a second grade oil in your R1M. And that goes the same for like a 450 or 250 FX. This is one of our 2019 FX that we obviously want to run the best products in. And for the marine is especially important, the quality of oil. Because these vehicles do stand over winter and those type of periods, and they don't get run as much as bikes, this is very important to have high-grade oil. Doug and our professionals from Liquid Moly South Africa are going to educate myself and educate you guys on what the correct steps are. So throughout the next month, we're going to have same as this, a typical talk,
A couple of little
tech
live
talk,
videos.
and we're going to be sitting down at the table and going through some of the do's, the don'ts, the what to know and what not to know. The guys here at Linex Yamaha South Africa, Linex South Africa Randburg, we've got it going. So contact myself, Wesley, our parts counter, Andre. You can even contact us, or contact Doug through us.
Yeah,
if you want to need to know, we've got all the products stocked, as you can see. Liquid Moly is everywhere.
Fully stocked on both shelves.
That's the last one. You said that you might be giving away some fuel additives.
100%.
What is a fuel
So that goes along, like let's say, fuel additive just help the bikes perform a little bit better, be on a 4-stroke base. So if the guy's doing an oil change, often they just drop the oil and they don't do an engine flush or anything like that before putting the new oil in. So we can then give the guys an engine flush just to make sure that all the oil channels and that inside the motor are correctly clean before putting the new oil in. And those are a couple of the small little things we want to bring to you, the public out there. So we can definitely help out and make sure your guys' motorcycles, jet skis, superbikes, everything like that is correctly looked after with the right products.
So guys, from us here at Linex, we will be giving you the correct advice on your oil. So please pop in, ask any question you like. We'll be able to answer it with the help of Moly South Africa and our professionals in our workshop. We can answer any question that you've got. So let's debunk those myths, keep riding, and have a joy. Cheers guys.
Cheers.